What's up, YouTube? EMT in Hawaii with a little fast recap. I was in a little group break with Dereck, D. Robbins. Did pretty good. Got my card in, so thank you very much, Dereck. You guys, so I have his link below. You guys go check out his group breaks. He also does raffles. Awesome guy. So it was like the first time I ever did this. It was like a draft style break. I was fortunate enough to be second, or the second pick. First guy took the Rams. I had the Broncos and so forth, but I'll show you guys this. Number 1 out of 5. And you can see the name on the top, Mr. Tebow. Overall, nice card, but when we saw the numbering and the name and the player, we were thinking like it had to be like unreal sick. Pretty nice card overall. Hoping for some ink or some, maybe like a logo shield action or some kind of Reebok logo or something, but nice card. Thanks, Dereck. I'm not too sure where the patch comes from. Looks like probably one of the numbers off the jersey. Maybe the 1. More than likely, I think it's the 1. If you look like that. So thanks, Dereck. You guys check out his stuff. I have his link below. Again, number 1 out of 5. Could make a nice addition to the PC right here. And then got this one right here. So you guys check them out. Thanks again. Have a good Memorial Day. Peace.